50 love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a very different video, something we really haven't done before. So, I'm a girl, which we all know, duh. I'm a girl. I'm a girly girl too. And I like getting pampered. I don't like other people doing my makeup, but I like to get pampered. I like to get my nails and my toes done. Well, it's holiday season, so I had to sacrifice my nail budget to make sure that we have Christmas gifts, holiday decorations, you know, fun stuff, festive. And I have kids, so I have to cater to them during the holiday season. So I've been at work. We have something that's been around for years, and my coworkers wear them, and I finally just said F it and got them myself. They're press-on nails. Like, first and foremost, press-on nails are nothing like they used to be years ago when I was growing up. These actually have style. Do you not see these nails? These are press-ons. Cute little press-ons. Like, press-ons. Like, these, and matter of fact, so far so good. The best ones that I have came across have been from the Kiss company. So you guys, if you know about Kiss, let me go on and tell you. Kiss have been around for eons, have been around for years, but the company is slowly evolving and getting their life together. And honey, I am with it. I am here for the journey, and I am sitting in my seat ready to see what else we were going to take off with. But Kiss have came out with, they didn't come out with. They have evolved the press-on game. It comes with glue. It comes with its own thing. I personally don't use the glue in here. I use another glue that they actually make. But these are insanely simple to do. To create the look that I have, I did use 4 different kinds. So I used the gray pack, which is this one. And hold on. And I utilize these, as you can tell. And then I utilize, these are a pack that I just bought, but I thought those were really, really cute. And I utilize some of these in here, as you can tell. And if you look closely, these have a marbling effect, but they're just pink. So I thought that was cute too. I might use those later. This is another set. This is another set that I got that I haven't opened yet. And I utilize these also to create, you know, like the little cute little rhinestone effect. And I got a pack of these bad boys. So I can't wait to actually mix and match. I got different ones because, okay, so like when I usually used to go get my nails done, I like the fact that I had options to create who I wanted to be by my hand. Sometimes I keep my makeup bland. Not bland, but I keep it natural looking, and I keep my hair colorful. So usually I would get just like plain new nails, but now with press-ons, I can actually get that dope vibe, that color, that pizzazz. But yes, so if you're looking for really, really dope nails and be a baddie on a budget, you know, being bougie on a budget, definitely check out any of those press-on nails by Kiss. They have some dope stuff. And who doesn't like saving money? I mean, I just saved literally $80-something just by grabbing a whole bunch of press-ons and creating magic with myself and enjoying my time with myself. Also, I will be doing a video of when I change these out, and I'll actually show you guys how I actually keep mine on, because right now these are pretty sturdy where they're not coming off. But I actually will show you the process that I personally take that my coworkers actually showed me how to do in order to keep these bad boys on for at least a good 2 weeks. So if this video was informative and to you guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when Fashion Tamer, the tame one, drops another video. And until we meet again, my tame raiders,